Give you a little perspective, a view of this new IONIQ 6 that Hyundai has coming out. I really love the color. They definitely nailed it in terms of like design. This very much looks like a combination between a Panamera, so to speak, and maybe a Mercedes CLS with that sportback look on the back. I really love the whole car. It looks really nice. The design aspect of it, you know, they really kept with a retro, you know, kind of blackiness and almost like a Blade Runner-esque type thing, if that makes any sense. I hope. But they're definitely stepping up their game. They're definitely looking at things from a different perspective. But yeah, without further ado, let's get in. You know, let's play around with this. Let's see what's going on here. So right off the bat, it feels very open in here. The car, it doesn't feel any different than regular, you know, gas car. This car has definitely still the same vibes. It definitely feels like it's a gas car, but you know, you're just not having a lot of stuff in a transmission tunnel where usually a transmission would be. You're not really feeling like this is any different. But how does it feel to actually hold the steering wheel and actually sit here? It actually feels pretty good. I don't really see any gripes with this car yet. Obviously, yeah, we have yet to drive it, but once we will, we'll definitely kind of keep you guys updated on how that will go. I'm really liking the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels really nice. It feels very nice and supple, and it should, because that's, you know, that's the integral part of driving a car. What I'm confused about is these pedals. Why do you need pedals in an electric car? That's an interesting question that begs to be answered. But in terms of like screens, the screens are kind of cool. The back seat, wow, very spacious, but it also has that very like in-depth look where you're kind of just sitting inside rather than, you know, kind of on. You're sitting more in, as in kind of like in the hole. I hope that describes it kind of well. But without further ado, what do you guys think? Do you guys like this car? Would you buy this for yourself? Would you drive the new IONIQ 6? Let me know. Comment down below and tell me how you feel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys soon.